Good morning students. In this video lecture we are going to discuss about CDMA 2000. So CDMA is nothing but code division multiplex access. It's a 3G technology. So first we are going to discuss about what is CDMA. So CDMA is a high speed data and voice network solution for low cost, easily to adapt high performance service. And CDMA can support high volume of voice and data traffic. Instead of being limited to narrow channel structure in a given frequency, CDMA spreads signal across 1.25 MHz of spectrum and simultaneously transmit uniquely encoded and encrypted signals over same RF carrier. Due to its efficient use of spectrum to provide high quality voice and data service, CDMA can be utilized for fixed voice and data service also. So, what are the facts about CDMA 2000 means? CDMA is a technology for the evolution of IS-95 and IS-95A to 3G service. The CDMA 2000 cellular technology provides an evolutionary high data rate upgrade path for current users of 2G IS-95 and 2.5G IS-95A. CDMA 2000 represents a family of standards. A key component of CDMA 2000 system is a new packet core network that allows for a delivery of packet data with high speed and better security. Multi-carrier modulation is applied to 3G voice-oriented cellular network using CDMA technology. The CDMA 2000 employs a multi-carrier operation in which user is allotted to use 1369 of the CDMA one channel to support for more reliable voice and variety of data channels. The main advantage of using multi-carrier modulation is to provide high data rates of data applications, wider bandwidth, and consequently better voice quality and background compatibility with existing CDMA system. The CDMA 2000 using 16 QAM quadrature amplitude modulation digital modulation techniques with maximum data rate is increased. And we have some of the CDMA 2000 families in 3G standards. First family is CDMA 2001X. It increased the voice capacity in double and up to 307 kbps packet data speed. Supports advanced service like MMS, games, location service, picture and music data. And the second family is CDMA 2001X EV Do, optimized for packet data service up to 2.4 megabits per second, always on service supporting internet and intranet. And CDMA 2001X DV will provide integrated voice with high speed packet data service such as video conferencing at 3.09 megabits per second. And these are some of the key features of your CDMA 2000. First one is leading performance, efficient use of spectrum, and support for advanced mobile service. And CDMA 2000 technology are compatible with IP, having more flexibility and higher bandwidth efficiency. And device selection in CDMA 2000 offers the broadest selection of mobile devices and has significant cost advantages. And CDMA 2000 have been designed for urban as well as the remote rural areas for a fixed wireless local loop and limited and full mobility applications in multiple spectrum bands. And these are some of the advantages of your CDMA 2000. Is a superior voice quality, high speed broadband data connectivity, flexible network architecture with connectivity to the any type of networks, and applications users and follow based quality of service, and flexible spectrum allocation with excellent propagation characteristics and improved security and privacy, and then lower total cost of ownership, multi-mode and multi-band global roaming features. In CDMA 2000, we have some of the disadvantages. One is channel pollution. Depending upon the many channels, There are too many signals from cell sites is subscriber's phone, but none is dominant, degrading call quality. And international roaming, another disadvantage of this technology is the lack of international roaming capabilities, and only CDMA 2000 device that can be used internationally must also have a GSM radio. Thank you.